welcome to ggmix. Today I've got a special treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make rainbow flavoured rainbow cake pops that taste of sour raspberry, sweet orange, zesty lemon, nutty pistachio, fruity blueberry and perfumey lavender. So no matter what 2, 3 or 4 flavours you bite into, it will taste amazing because the flavours work so well together and they've been balanced perfectly. So let's get started. If you've been subscribed to ggmix for a while, you know that I created a rainbow cake that tastes like a rainbow because I didn't understand why you'd create something so visually beautiful that will tell your eyes it's like something amazing, which will tell your brain that something delicious is coming. Your mouth will start salivating, you take your spoon to your cake, you take a bite, vanilla. Why would you put so much effort into creating a cake that looks so amazing and tasting average? Here at ggmix it's a different story because I believe in flavour and I believe that your food should taste amazing over it looking good. So if my food tastes amazing and it looks rubbish, I'm cool with that, yeah? I'd rather that than it look amazing and taste average. But I always strive to create the most delicious food and make it look fantastic. So let's get started. I'm using my rainbow cake that tastes like a rainbow recipe and I'll leave a link to that video below. Red is raspberry, orange is orange, yellow is lemon, pistachio is green, blue is purple, no, blue is blueberry, purple is lavender. But I'm using my rainbow cake offcuts to make my cake pops. So if you make the rainbow cake, you can also use the rainbow cake offcuts too. But if you don't want to make the rainbow cake, but you want to make these cake pops, I'm going to leave a recipe to make them into cupcakes. You'll end up making less, and I'll leave the recipe on my blog, ggmixblog.com. Crumble your leftover rainbow cake pieces or rainbow cupcakes into 6 separate bowls, and to each bowl add 2 tablespoons of buttercream and mix and knead them together to form a ball. If your cake doesn't form a ball, add a little more buttercream until it forms a ball. Don't add too much because you will need to add more cake to get it back to the right consistency. Now pinch a little of each colour and roll them to make a ball about 3 centimetres in diameter. Then repeat until you've used up all your cake. I normally make 15 cake balls, but you may get a little more or a little less depending on how big you make them. When you're done, put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. While they are freezing, melt 340 grams of white candy melt and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to thin it out a little. Take your cake balls out the freezer and dip your cake pop stick into your chocolate so about 1.5 centimetres of your stick is coated. Then push your stick 3/4 of the way into your cake ball and put it on a plate while you do the same to the rest. When you are done, put them in the fridge to set. Make sure your chocolate sill has set like this, then dip your cake pop into your chocolate, whirling it around so all of your cake ball is covered, then leave it to drip so you can get as much of your chocolate off. I like to tap my wrist, which gives the cake pop a gentle but firm shake, whereas if I shake it, my cake ball is more likely to fall off the stick. I like to stand my cake pops in some polystyrene, but you can also use a glass or a cake pop stand. Now if you don't have cake pop sticks or can't be bothered with faffing around, I've got you covered. You can make rainbow flavoured truffles. Just dip your cake balls into your candy melts using 2 forks. Roll your cake ball from one fork to the other to get as much of the excess chocolate off, and leave them to set for a few minutes on a plate or baking paper. Whichever way you choose, cake pop or truffle, these rainbow flavoured cake pops will be a pleasant surprise visually and an exceptional surprise tastily. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!